Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I thought I would spend some time on Tesla with you. Tesla's been in the news here lately off of the recent vote, so that is all behind us, and I think you can see, really kind of, I think where Elon tweeted that the approval was kind of going his way is when the stock had this move, and then when the news was actually verified, it seems more like a sell the actual event itself. So as the stock is starting to come in here a little bit, you just got some important levels to watch into next week. Next week's going to be kind of unique anyway, with the markets being closed on Wednesday. So that gap in the middle of a witching expiration, it's just, it's going to create for a unique environment. But if Tesla can hold the levels where it's at today, I think it's going to be worth taking a look at. Several of the things that I enjoy studying and technical analysis show up on this chart. The first part of which is the squeeze. So the squeeze is in the high compression phase, which you might imagine, because it's been trading sideways for so long. So that compression is eventually going to resolve either up or down, and I'm trying to give it the idea of it being bullish because of the way that it held on this pullback, right? You kind of get the flush into earnings, then earnings gives you a very strong move, making a very clean, fresh swing high above this point. And then on that pullback, again, you can see where it's been a very clear double bottom at the tree line. So if this way of forming a base is what's trying to unfold, the pullback to the 21 EMA and the pullback to the 618 retracement of the advance is the spot to hold. And you can see that that is pretty much right where we are. So I think it's going to be an important name to keep in focus. Again, if it does really start to move the trade into 200, 204, I think will be worth some directional exposure. Also, those kinds of strikes at 200 often make for good butterflies. So I hope you find that helpful in your trading. We'll keep tabs on this as we get into the abbreviated week and update from there.
Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.